Hello, today we will guide you through how to stretch videos in CapCut. To get started, open the CapCut app on your device. Once the app is open, make sure you are in your editing workspace so you can begin working with your video. If you are opening CapCut for the first time, you may need a moment to let the interface load. The main goal here is simply to get into the editor and be ready to import or work with your clip. Next, drag your sample video into the timeline. The timeline is the main area where your video clips are placed for editing, and this is where CapCut lets you control how your media appears in the final result. When you drag the video into the timeline, make sure it has been added properly and is visible as a clip. If it does not appear right away, give it a second and confirm that it has been dropped into the correct editing area. After that, click on the video clip you just added. This is an important step because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to edit. Once the video is selected, you should see that it becomes highlighted or shows editing controls. Selecting the clip tells CapCut that any adjustments you make next should apply specifically to that video. Now move to the preview area where you can see your video displayed on screen. In the preview, click on the small circle control around the video frame to stretch the video preview. This control allows you to manually resize the visible video by dragging outward or adjusting the frame directly. As you do this, pay close attention to the preview so you can see exactly how the stretch is affecting the video. When stretching a video, it helps to make small adjustments rather than large ones. That way you can keep the result looking intentional and avoid making the video appear overly distorted unless that is the effect you want. Watching the preview carefully will help you decide when the size looks right for your project. And that's it. Once you have stretched the video to the look you want, you can continue editing or move on to exporting your project. This is a quick and simple way to adjust how your video fills the screen inside CapCut, especially if you want a more customized fit for your layout or style, or